Not many of us in this country, in this province, had the privilege to sit at the table with the king. You are one of those who sat. But there are very few people, probably you are the only one of the Indian origin, who was given a special name by the king. He never gave all of us, but you are. And therefore, that puts you into a very special category of people in the country, in the world. And to be given such a high pedestal by our late king means a great tribute to you for the work that you did and for what our king saw in you. I pray and wish that you follow what our king said, our late king said, to say, go out and go on and do this philanthropic good work to my people. And he said that when he was alive, and I'm sure looking at us now from heaven, he's saying that to you. We wish and pray that God pushes you with that spirit that our king instilled in you, to say you do and follow, because that will actually make our king, wherever he is, very proud of you. There are two people we're missing today greatly. You have mentioned the Sivananda, the community, but to me, as I was driving this way, people who would have been here, two of them, is Prince M.G. Buthelezi and our late king. But may their spirit continue to propel us to even do better, not only you, Ishwar, and all of us in this room.
It is a great honor and privilege for me today to give thanks to God for a life given. So on behalf of the wider Christian community, Ishwar, may the good Lord continue to be with you and give you the grace what He set before you. And we indeed need His grace today. So it's a great joy to have my wife and part of this wide community of King Kechuayo, Natal, and South Africa, and the international community, to wish you a blessed and joyous 50th birthday.
We say, may God bless you. What you are doing, you are not doing for yourself, but you are doing for the nation. We wish God Almighty to bless you, to give you more.
The documentary that we have just viewed tonight has reminded us of the great losses that we have suffered as the people of South Africa, but more especially as the people of the Zulu nation, of which Ishwar has become part. A great loss in being taken away by the good Lord, the Swami is Vananda, His Majesty Mlogombane, and the Prince of Kwapindangen. There is a big void, and the losses are reminding us that, in fact, a challenge to the current leadership of the country and of the province. Yes, you have suffered the losses. What are you doing? How are you retaining what they taught you? That's the challenge, Ishwar. Happy half century, my friend. We look forward to another century. Hoping you'll get there with us. I got to know Ishwar in a variety of ways. PV Mtetwa was very close to Ishwar when we were both mayors. Lawrence Mtombeni was very close to Ishwar, and we were all mayors. So I got to know Ishwar, and I also got to know Ishwar. He was Mtwana's son, and as he was the king's son. And I was also Mtwana's son, I was also the king's son. I would not say grandson to both of them, I was their son. So that's how I got to know Ishwar. You know, we Zulus would always be skeptical of some things. You know, Mtwana and the king, the late king, they practically practiced social cohesion. Now, because Mtwana, people think we just say it when we say the man you can trust. Because, you know, with us, Mtwana and the king, whatever they would do, even if you don't see light in it, even if you don't see where it's going, but because they are there, you would believe that it's the right thing to do.
Thank you for all that you have done for the Nazareth Church. Your effort doesn't go unnoticed.
This is a design of something that the king, it was the last design of His Majesty King Zwelithini that he designed to do for his 50th of his reign, a gold coin. It's a special gift to Mabheka on behalf of the royal family.
Ishwar, we don't have words which I can really fit what we have done for our nation. As it has been mentioned in the documentary, we thank you, my brother, for your humbleness. You are always kind, always appreciable. One was very touched because we know how he loved you. And also, Umtwana Wapindangen.
Tum jiyo hazaro saal, and saal ke din ho 50,000. So it actually means you should live for thousands of years, and each year should have 50,000 days. His Majesty, that he chose you as an ambassador of peace. He adopted you as a son to give a message of social unity, cohesion, and a symbol of if we stand united, what we can achieve. Wish you very all the best. Warm regards to Ishwari and Mataji. Thank you very much.
So be assured of one thing on this 50th birthday of yours. Your Guru, Swami Sahajananda, Swami Shivananda is guiding you, protecting you, and will also request you to do more for the poorest of the poor.
On behalf of His Majesty King Mrs. Zulu Zwelithini, to my beloved brother, Prince Ishwar Ramlutchman Mabheka Zulu, it gives me great pleasure to convey this message on the auspicious occasion of the 50th birthday of my beloved brother, Prince Ishwar Ramlutchman Mabheka Zulu, whose life has been devoted to service to my people. May I request on behalf of the Department of COGTA to request the Minister of COGTA, the Honorable V.F. Hlabisa, to hand over a certificate which has been specially commissioned for this occasion.
It is a singular pleasure to congratulate my brother and friend on the celebration of his 50th birthday. Indeed, hitting half a century in life is a milestone. I have known my brother Ishwar for more than 30 years ago. The documentary of the story of life's journey has told it all. All the personalities who have spoken to us, but most importantly, Isilo Esebuzile and Umtwana Wawaphindangene, they said it all when reflecting on the life we are celebrating today, and I said, it has been said enough.
If there's any one single person that can single out who has done that extra mile as far as promotion of social cohesion is concerned, that is Ishwar Ramlutchman.
Today we are filled with joy and pride to see Mabheka continue to serve the people of South Africa. Mabheka has set an example for all young people in our country. I wish him to continue with his exemplary leadership throughout his life's journey. Actually, he deserved to be honored.